All right, hello again. This is Jeff Scott of Blackhawk Technical College, back with part 3 of chapter 5 for our Android Studio Development Essentials text. Chapter 5 is on creating an Android virtual device, or AVD, in Android Studio. And what I found was, after following all the steps, and I've done this in earlier lectures where I followed all of these steps, I was able to create the emulator. However, when I tried to start the emulator, it told me I didn't have enough room on the system. All right, so there appears to be some kind of a problem with running the emulator, creating an emulator in Android Studio and running it in Android Studio. So I went back to Eclipse, created the emulator in Eclipse, and now it works. So I'm not going to go over any of this stuff, but I did actually go in and run this program right here. And when I ran it in the emulator, that's what came out. All right, so I wanted you to know that I did get this to work. That is pretty much, I didn't remember what the color was, so I just set it to regular green, 00 FF00. All right. Under the configurations, I'm not going to do anything special with these. All right, I'm not going to touch those. Everything appeared to be about as good as it was going to be. I'm not going to do the stopping or running application. I just wanted to get done with chapter 5, and pretty much now I am, as far as I know. All right, so you can read that stuff on your own. We will talk about it in class, but it's onward, hopefully, and upward, hopefully, to chapter 6 and actually testing the app on an Android, on a physical Android device. So mercifully, that's the end of the chapter 5 stuff.